Christmas is a time for music. With that in mind, I wrote the following poem, The Sound of Christmas. Christmas is with us once again. We've been singing about it since way back when. Family members unite once more, whilst carol singers gather at the door. Stars shine brightly in the sky above, whilst below folks unite with the glue of love. The birth star celebrates Christ's nativity, beneath which churches buzz with activity. Whether it's Yuletide or Jesus' birth, the choice of songs soon prove their worth. Some delight with others simply noise, from Louis Armstrong to the Pet Shop Boys. With the fairy tale of New York, the Pogues make a fuss, quite a change from Elvis's Blue Christmas. Rocking around the Christmas tree with Brenda Lee is clear, plus Driving Home for Christmas, sung by Chris Rea. Have yourself a merry little Christmas, or so the lyrics go, rocking around the Christmas tree, backed by the gently falling snow. Braintree Male Voice Choir joins the merry throng, cheerfully singing many a festive song. Two lots of tenors, baritones and basses entertain your many smiling faces. So finally, what on earth is Christmas about? It's presents, wine and grub, you may shout. The carols, the parcels, the tall fir tree, the sprouts, Christmas pudding or roast turkey. I'd like to think it's more than that, the reindeer bells or Santa's hat. Put simply, it's about love on earth, when friends and family prove their worth. So in conclusion, we all wish you a very Merry Christmas.